lower human ego, with the divine power and love that I am, I now command you into the light. Human ego, release my physical body and return to the light. Release my physical body and return to the light. Release my physical body and return to the light. Release my etheric body and return to the light. Release my etheric body and return to the light. Release my etheric body and return to the light. Release my mental body and return to the light. Release my mental body and return to the light. Release my mental body and return to the light. Release my emotional body and return to the light. Release my emotional body and return to the light. Release my emotional body and return to the light. Lower human ego, I now love you free. Ascend into the higher schools of learning and be transformed into God's perfection. My I Am presence now steps into the full authority of my 4 earthly bodies and lifts me in energy, vibration, and consciousness into the 5th dimensional frequencies of God's infinite perfection. Here I live, move, and breathe within my I Am presence, and I clearly perceive that I am one with all life. I now know that even though my feet are planted firmly on earth, simultaneously I am one with all of the ascended realms of light. I am liberating God's light into every physical and chemical interaction within my earthly bodies, healing and restoring all of the energy bonds between atoms and within atoms to vibrant health and infinite perfection. Contained within this divine light is everything necessary to heal my earthly bodies and the entire physical realm of this precious planet. This light contains everything necessary to set straight the orbit, spin, and electronic charge of every cell, atom, and electron of life on Earth. Now within my I Am presence, I am the divine qualities of liberty, divine justice, freedom, and victory, freeing humanity and all of the energy bonds within humanity, which include the relationships and the interactions of all people, all races, all religions, all organizations, and all nations. I am liberating these interactions into the harmony of a higher order of being, thus expanding the influence of humanity's I Am presence on Earth. I know this higher reality within my heart and mind, and I am a calm ocean of these divine qualities flooding the earth. Through my I Am presence, I am a living, light-filled temple of invincible, perfect health, eternal youth, vitality, joy, and God's infinite abundance. And I am grateful. I am grateful. I am eternally grateful to my beloved Father, Mother, God. All that is, I am.